We got about a 20-foot disc. Looks like it's got 4-foot wings in the front on each side. We got about a 12-foot base on the bottom. Nice size disc. This is a Kewanee. This is a 1020. This disc has 19 1/4 inch front blades. It is a 8 3/4 inch spacing on the blades. The blades on the front aren't terrible. There's a few that's got little dings. Here is a very large non-factory weld that I saw walking around here on that wing. Very common with these. That was a weak point on them. It's got original decals on the back. The blades are 18 inch on the rear. Here's a cover blade on the edge. It's got a crack, okay? There again, usually the case. Other than that, I think the framing's been straight besides that one wing being. There's a crack in this one here, right where that one's welded. There's a little crack right here on this one. Show it right there, as far as they can saw if we had to clean it up with it. It's original everything. It's hydraulic fold.